Afia Wontumi and be amuchini, Unia Ibrahim Mahama, custom was a day, Utimi excavator 6,000 bagana, Nina and Trim from Untiahe duty free, or the excavator and querying, or the Galamsey.
A Tobagana had my air trend here, the issue of Galamsey, and the arrest of Chama Wontumi in connection with the Galamsey, and no, and a media no so, Abusia, F00LISH was nigger, any Twene Jonas, any TikTokers no Omuko Kwapai, almost a dentina. Ebuakwa South constituency chairman ewo hoyenche no Amenfi Central Joanna MP o hoyenche no obabesi o Galamsey yenche no ni akwache chairman Wontumi ente na fiase one NDC aban enya adwene obege kana adwene pa ma wonkyere mu no akere wadwene amame ewo comment section aha Penyah block media meso ase ani die mu obe like video no ara ma boss subscribe button sambe kele ke notification icon latest update sambe akere wadwene da amame ewo comment section Best was about no watch video for any be ashe. Obi na nsi am na kwache chama Wontumi for Galamsey. As a Galamsey kwa bi mu kire se na konta mining no. Just the concession no yeso adwuma yeso mining no. We jai adwuma long time ago. Amoja ye kwa we nya asase sa akwa. Wa cover amena omutue nyina wa cover so kama twa no yopo. Ama asase ko wa dua kube wo so kube na start efifie. A dia dance ye say the Galamsey no ye there we jai but empany for say crime has no expiry. Eighteen girls so yellow maybe a trim and also and I say a barrel for Fraba, you know, almost a fast to Eddie air Twene say Ometrimu. Why in Kurana that town a man in 2 million Uncle Bonra town on the Mill Forest Nimu, Enquire Galamsey, and also and then the FIR trench and Wontumi I was any Yasim Kuma, you have a Chinico court, your money be that time their money be na issue for your side, your hetrisian or travel 3 days in the ewo, please for Akache. I say, onya meeting the bay conditions any other day. Now we must about 4 days ago. And about media no say woman be then say woman Ghana Woman Award. And Ghana Woman Award omo no. Omo bo MP for Amenfi Central constituency. Eye honorable Joanna Kecha yere. Omo ebo na baso as female miner of the year. A obabesia Ghana hey. Was Amenfi ase na making. Ghana ono kwa wo mining site. 600 concession. Onunkwa wa mining site maku 600 Obabesia mining site 600 on yes on say Ghana nsase. ONDC MP Obabesia wa mining site 600 yes on say Ghana nsase. Ama yasa bonabaso as female miner of the year 2025 Ghana bonabaso. So yeah, the Obabesia we engage in mining. Only me ko tipenko. Wa ya there. O this year bonabaso memprene ya pene no. Na ba kai so enu wachi no. Announce public account committee ehia as omu to enipa ni bia no DC NMC for NMP for any ade for no ya appointment no ye do to ma no any ade. Emu ana Ebuakwa South DC ekopie public committee hono. E dey we say the question about Galamsey. Na hono and okoyi tu mu say oh omukobo wura sam mining site be illegal mining and as Galamsey site be na that Galamsey site no na eye Ebuakwa South NDC chairman Ebuakwa South NDC chairman ne ba ene to that Galamsey no ayes omo akọ stop no
ebia make say we say and I said with President Mahama when he was in opposition SSC anchi the campaigns of Galamsey ekunu be yedin. And she adia the MC for Ebuakwa South, the current MCU. Why? And we ekotoja abroko public accounts committee. And him oh my film. Tisa komui.
You mentioned mining as the first major problem when Madam Chair asked you, because very recently I have seen you leading a team in trying to clamp down on the Galamseyers. In the video that I saw, you knew the people who were doing the Galamsey. You remember the video?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay, so you know the people who are engaged in the Galamsey in there?
Madam Chair, please, not all of them.
No, I mean the very video which has gone viral. That you were leading a team to clamp down on. So how are you arresting that situation, especially when the people who are engaged in some of these activities are known people?
Madam Chair, I would want to put it on record. That very site that we were was the site of our constituency chairman's son's mining site. And that was the first day of my operations, and that was the first place I went to make sure I clamped down that activities. So that, I believe, states my commitment towards fighting the Galamsey, fighting the Buakwa South. Thank you.
I really wanted that answer so I can congratulate you. And so we also take off that kind of assumption that it's only the people of the other side who are into Galamsey. But congratulations for going ahead and clamping down on your chairman's son's Galamsey site. Congratulations.
Buakwa South MC ade akoye no o se site na okoye no wo the first site ya okoye abere o hya se wo bo apro e wo Galamsey site no na ba bi okoye ye Galamsey no eye NDC Buakwa South constituency chairman ne ba e na Galamsey e na yakoche no. We are looking forward say ye be process no for court. And this according to Buakwa South MC. Nyamima kwesi se na make o. Buakwa South MC na ka o. Ese onu ankasa yo ye NDC ni. The constituency chairman ba. Ene ye Galamsey o ba bia mkwachi omo no. So we are looking for it said the attorney general will take this up. Ni prosecute you omo. Ni o se ampase abeni abre e kuri eti Galamsey.
But neba no yenche no. Yenche no. Chairman Kutu yenyina wo krom heye. Ana NDC blogger Amara Shako ebe ye video because NDC ni Chairman Kutu asante Chairman Kutu o tu Galamsey din e wa asante memu.
Main road Ghana for them watch Mamponia constituency Ashanti region. The main road Samosha was a car twetwam. But nipa wa sha ade wi achi. Eye NDC constituency Chairman Kutu. One on the site. Shede main road wo na wo say kwan say asase say na de say ya kwan say ne yile Chairman Kutu ne yile anu wasoro pese ye ne yile no DC e wa Twemamponia constituency na say oye ne yile DC adwoma ama hwe kwan a wo fa so tu amena kwan ni o hwe filling station we ya na hwe de we ya tu amena say nsase Chairman Kutu
Emo ye video we ba wontene ebesi ne obi antuma medi banke obi antuma me attack asem na Amara Shako be kan say Amara Shako obi antuma me attack bia eti we assume say ne asem eye no kure but benefit de omodi kwa de ko omodi nko because obi gan so ye twam no de enke ntwam di aka asasin di aka ne mo ho ban but here is the case here de wodi atwam no ono na ye nisa no chama wontumi na waye Galamsey ni bi pen no na wonya biem no ono na ye nisa no. But the war field says see a warrior Galamsey Chairman Kutu or field or Galamsey this year, you know. Buakwa South NDC Chairman also war field on the back, 2 Galamsey is here, dear. Omo, you ask you once you who ye. Ask you who ye. Now, I know, and I'll comedian and so I was your Afia Schwar. And then Twene Jonas, and the TikTokers, Abba class with Mahama said, I no more yen. Omu ye.
See, I want to me and be amuchini, who near Ibrahim Mahama, custom was a day, ultimately excavator 6,000 bagana, Nina and Trim from Untiahe duty free, or the excavator and querying, or the Galamsey, and 2 near Ibrahim Mahama and see Galamsey, which want to me like watch Union account. Chairman Kutu, excavator, or the Galamsey, Ibrahim Mahama. See, I want to me.
But a political tactics, a diversion, ye divert attention, ye the wound to me for 2, and men people for have come to me as them. Na ye jai teacher for the nurse for our musu. Ye jai teacher for the nurse for musu. Na sentesa Joanna Kujo tewa. Yetimisa kochi Wontumi de nekoto. Joanna Kujo tewa. Yetimisa kochi Wontumi. Esa de nekoto. Omo divert attention. Ye mpesi betwe teacher for ka. Ye mpesa mo beka. 24-hour economy ya kaska. Ye mpesa mo beka. Say inflation cost and a body a better Ghana. Kofi broke man. The entire body I have to. The lady Kofi broke man. A year here for a year. The same body I have to. Your friend Kofi broke man. Nenka wini sikano. Na wato body and one didn't cut here guso. Na what the other body and back with 8 cities. This nigga cried 10 cities. Body back. Ose me boa to carry ye kusi kwano body betim 8 cedis 10 cedis inflation cost na body betim ye 10 cedis aban na ekọ n'anim na wo badechi na to penso na do Mahama ye door to door utimi to benku utimi to dokono na fufu ye twa 5 cedis na to penso na utimi to fufu 5 cedis fufu 8 cedis na fufu ye twa 5 cedis na mi musako and no wait me akotro ba akoto fufu 8 cedis na mi busamo because it is usable and then I want what to say and more bag to say na to pencil no one else $1 near 16 cedis and then $1 is what it is about 13 cedis it is $1 near 13 cedis no and Cambodia it will be 10 cedis and you want to see much petrol so body it will be 10 cedis and now punching you try punches starting 50 cedis it is so and I said the but in the hereby way the hereby way witch hunting unnecessary arrests now no we be by any kwache abronya number ka abronya semana sasa me die and sasa me yen e die na susu ampa say ye one more ye galamse one more sense you Wontumi nkwa na esensuo wontumi na asensuo na wogane na wontumi pe on wontumi pe na asensuo wogane nyina wontumi pe anase abakaya omunya school for mama kono ena mo be divert attention say yenyan kwala no munya school kono because some of my sanitary pad near the coma more divert attention about we buy no ya chichi ni pache any achievement they have achieved count their achievement in 10 years in 10 months excuse my language count their achievement in 10 months na compared to the rest that enkosiaga say atoni January bedwa nanum kire ya edubo ahi asemi nanim gu asemi oye press conference awomoso oye press conference edubo ahi asemi won ka biem because clearly ye betia judgment debt clearly o sha said ye character na ko na abrante no o de Ghana be court witch hunting unnecessary witch hunting 24-hour economy kaska nkukon kete kaska wa uti we come down se me sifa umomotu osisi na me twa 1000 wuni 20 seconds kachira me same kwa wa wo hwe me kachira me se anope me twa 1000 na me nku wo de tro se me boa tro se you a liar sa no pay me je wo number pa no megu $100 and coming kuwana. Is this the Ghana Joe Mahama promise you? Sa no pay me se fa number 2 na me ma $100 and coming kuwana. $100 is e wo kuruma and coming kuwana. Sa me se first mame way umomo number na me twa $100 coming kuwana coming kun jomo ya ne acheche na busa so mo cheche no we be benefit we omo political scores no wo ne be benefit we e do be coin e discover be shobuto se yentimi ntua light bill ensuo no kwa de bi ma no obi si 50 cedis wa ma me kwa ho ensuo no kwa de bi ma Is this what this government promised you? About Okoto and some fasuni. About Okoto and some fasuni. But on my direct attention, ya kwachi Wontumi, and Tieba account to me as them hopefully na ochina Wontumi say dey tie biara na the MPP for no betwe am sade na to mu biem enti e ba be ye we no so me and senior sprinters minim say don so no money mo say dey NDC boy but yeah I go 7 week ko jare ma fa nsu mako yeah why we didn't because I guess and come over but Dr. Mahmoud ba umi etire so na mudi mani ehu mo mudi mani ehu sa ban bi eba mo be bransa na mo ma ko school ye mo na mu yo sa ban bi de na otua mo ka na mo sisika ni so na ban bi de akatua na de makara mo mudi mani ehu yo sa wakọ eduma 10 months ni ntua wo ka wa wodi wani ehu yo sa wo ye eduma so do fi raka sa wo ye eduma so wo bobosia ya che bibia me simile bi na ye eduma o TV Africa me hwe na esefo ni video na ma me flashbacks that was when I made the conscious decision say fear enough me need to mo bia mo ga na bio me kwa djuma de bia enso ye twa me kan yemu me kwa djuma de bia enso me de water de ka me kwa djuma so salary ma ne ya ucha wasemu ensi sa ucha wasemu a ensi ucha wasemu ensi nam aban bi tua muka mo se akatua ni so nti wapam akofa aban a woni akatua ne ma munya hore nurse for class and me be kan ne na emu me ka madwene na matwe madwene abesi so se demonstration na ekoso no school na nkwala ni nya bi nkono plus sporting tax na on person mo church go e de be hye no ni na ho confusion enti ne asafa Wontumi de na koto no the enti o masafa Wontumi de na koto no is to divert attention no matini aye de o mo ba beye no maye niye bema otuma ngisi senya me no na eji komana o matumi aye niye ana jo mo person mo ye no mo ye niye na wo bia ma meka wasem na internet na so munyi na meka asem foforo ene so obeche wan chema Wontumi obeche no mo de na ye den akotu what dem besam chire na se enti eyezuzebo se nkola no so bebre ni a school ma wo se sa no so ye jaika because yakoye nim eti nyame shamoden ebe God will do it when enemy nyame shamo enkwala ni be dey school but we've gone past that enkwala ni be dey school but we've gone past that yentua nurses for neka but we've gone past that is yentua nurses for neka but we've gone past that teacher physical mind but we've gone past that and these many workers say junior doctors Sunday this week and next week and open maybe doctors and so be strike you will go past that the vampire mama onyamendo mo na munyeska ekudu sa ubetumi dia eden akọ private hospital any private hospitals kadia asima make emfa ho eno so duru ha ye be ma card kre 1,000 to enti nyame nhya moden na omo na onye mokase na sese no mate se okra NHIS so the do hospital amonye We have gone past that. Ezu. Entinene. Oja musu ye. Na, dia number ye. Dia number ye. Mudi mukoku motinene aye mistake na ye. Na me sa catch mo montro. Mo best 1 year. I'm wenya Wendy's no. And this is the honeymoon phase. And you know. Ezu. But me gusa ebio. Say yechi minus dear. Yechi galamsey for dear. And you're not catching you know, Joan Kujo. Only na more again. On the vice president, no. Omo picture, mami na pega nsa. Me do ben di omuntu mano. Say yechi galamsey for dear. Nega munye mi enchiri ye. Excavators na ye ko yin wa mu na ye. Baba beto aso. Galamsey assembly there, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning because we will be brave Mecca. We will be brave, but many more fancy say and away. 600 concessions. Oku winning award no 600 is and no what the kind. I MP for Amenfi Central. Outstanding Female Miner 2025 at the Ghana Women Awards. Ono so no. Ye be anything. Ye be can say. Ye be true say. Selective justice. Selective justice. Selective justice. So, ono die, Grandma Sheda command and so the vice president. Selective justice. The American because ono the legal I'm saying no, or this kind of boy campaign to any crime. Tronyo onye bone. Ono no onye bone on there. Onye hwe. Ne de. We did the Queen of Schwar. We will come back. It is deeper than that. Galamsey American. They will police the form would do Jew. What is the form? Police the form pen you for being nam Galamsey anymore. Yet will be a name ever. And will be a degree. It will be a day ever. It will be a day ever. Now, also. If we are fighting crime, we are fighting crime. Not witch hunting. Na de Galamsey yo my Ghana na. Mo de politics a mo de ya agro. E maybe be ba on. Sa mre no kra wie du. Say nsu kra nya bi no. Ye imported. Mo e mre bi be ba. Galamsey na yake na otuma. Enkofo kakra bi diska. The whole nation, we are suffering. The whole nation, we are suffering. We are, and no, they could feel those who wear. See, could feel those who wear. You should, what's the Cape people? Penyah, and can't for credits, you know, for Cape Coast. The capital of Ghana. We don't have war. You don't know. There's no war. There's no war. We don't have war in the capital of Ghana. That's what it is. It is what it is. We got no war. We got no war. You understand what I'm saying? You're tripping. We got no what. You understand? The Bob, stop tripping. Stop tripping. Get cause when you see a Smithers won't be. Smithers news you now can get. Matsamo magala mo sa siniso na dagala na dia na mo benom. Dia na mo benom. Huh? Vice President ko mama menenza so on cable. Mon frano. Vice President okoso Joan kujo nsa eyi ne kire se ne doba wo so na ni ne doba wo dua campaign ka enti yantoma no Vice President on free cable ento na miefia enu bi say asase wo Ashanti regional memma ne nsa so e de na kwakire memeyesa because I have conscience ya mo se mo nkire me letwi I have it me yam krabe hyehyeme I will think about enkola ye bewu mo daachi na wo de be pesa me jira enti no mo chi Wontumi dia enye we wotem no ka se ma betna die me ka me si me die me ka man from afam mama we water na dia change dia na dia na du me ka ni dia me ko jare ko ate ehunu conscience ehunu baby meni me twiba meni ni say ehunu ehunim Tibua conscience Tibua enti me wo Tibua meboa and I can say enti me kan dwi am kan say because of me Tibua me de mu yege me Tibua ebebu me from okay this makes sense me yeah my conscience will judge me Tibua ebebu me from yes so we nipa na woni sa ina man na wo judge o e ma hu se ade mi ye de nye me nu ye me fa ne bo ne nche no ma me hu nipa mo bo a enye it's not all about money o me hu esika fo ma da de ma ne ne wo me hu esika fo esika ntimi na hwe money couldn't do anything and only yes medicine has ended money couldn't do anything and yes medicine has ended enti sika ne bibia o and then na wuni bie enti na ye wo se nya bi be hira wo ama ne ba bi wa wo ye ya mu ya nko anye me do ya ko jamate nsuo wamia sa na nyame e ma wo bambo mu mia wo se nsuo wamia no wo nyame bambo mu mia wo wabrabo so yesu mo jame kata wo so ate o se emu oden ye beba na nso nyame ma the son of David, they will not eat stones. May you not eat stones. May God favor you and me. May the mercies of God be upon us. May the angel guide you in and out. May he go before you, go after you, straighten crooked ways. Now, onyame bema ya dance die aye du. Ya dance die ebe du. Onyame ema Psalm 20 verse 7. And there you were bravo. And your dance die. Also, some trust in chariots, others in horses, but we will trust in the name of the Lord. May God glorify your destiny. May God glorify your destiny. May He go before you. May He go after you. Psalm 35 verse 3 should be your portion. May the God devour the devourer for your sake. When you mean what time for you must say, you're best sorry where your son, you mean sorry. You're better children, you mean you. One hour, the end news, near Boston, you're born at done here, it will yes to be. Why would they picture what you will do so? May born at done here the bounce, so I think the sun was soon get the tomb. It was so just true. It's more than coming in a money. Don't memo. Don't memo, Pammy, Virginia too. And then I mean, more literally. I'm going to say, most of my hands are. I'm going to say, and about who cried in the back. Diane, at the end of the day, the Baba who put free in the sack. More am sorry, when you're careful. When you're careful. When you're very careful. And catch them. When you're very careful. Now, the little prophet Roger, the young man, are doing I don't want to. You're very careful. When you're more by, I'm sure the strain I'm your home 365 days of God's favor, God's glory upon your life. May God favor you. May heavens favor you. Oh, Jesus Christ, give me a me. And many pioneer what do you? Many pioneer what do you? Oh, Jesus, give me a bomb. Have a blessed day.
Chira wadwe mama e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media.